Good morning. I am Professor Dr. Sanjay Chabra from Faculty of Law and Management, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Today on 25th May 2024, Saturday, I am taking your session on the subject Human Resource Management for MBA second semester students, and the topic for discussion will be external source of recruitment. In my two previous sessions, we have discussed about nature, meaning, significance, objectives, meaning, objective, and significance of recruitment. And in second session, we discussed about internal source of recruitment. And now in this session, we will discuss about external source of recruitment. So under external source of recruitment, there are three methods. That is direct method, indirect method, and third parties method. So under direct method, there are three types of external source of recruitment. Number one is campus placement, campus recruitment. Number two is scouting, and number three recruitment at the factory gate. So these three comes under direct method of external source of recruitment. So when we are discussing about campus recruitment, I'm sure all of you must be aware of it. In your college or universities, you have come across this type of campus recruitment where companies from different groups with different needs used to visit your campus to recruit the young talent buddies from your class or from your institution as per their requirement, as per their need. You may have observed sometime students of engineering department, sometimes students of management department, they came across campus placement where recruiting companies they used to visit and they used to interview our students and select the best students as per their need. So campus recruitment is a method in which recruiters visit the campus and placement cells of educational institutions such as engineering and management college in order to get the qualified candidates. Recruiters get a large number of candidates to choose from, and candidates can select the job post which suits them from the available job options. Then second is scouting. Scouting is a method in which representatives are sent by the human resource development to those places where recruitment activities are going on. They get in contact with the prospective candidates who are searching for jobs. Applicants go through an initial interview, job fairs, indiscrimination seminar, like they come across applicants go through an initial interview, job fairs, indoctrination seminars are some of the other ways of the particular method. And the third one, recruitment at the factory gate. It is a method of direct recruitment in which a notice is posted outside the factory gate stating the information regarding the job vacancy. So the candidate who is fit for the job or who require the job can read that notice on the factory gate and can apply for the job. Then indirect methods. Under indirect methods, we have advertisement, employees trade associations or club, professional associations, and other reputed firms. So when we discuss about advertisement, in modern times, this medium has become equally vibrant, energetic, and creative as consumer advertising. The advertisements usually provide a brief outline of the job responsibilities, competitions, a compensation package, growth opportunities in the organizations, etc. This method is suitable when the organizations want to reach a large target group and desires a good number of qualified individuals who are cosmopolitan in distribution. Then second indirect method of recruitment is employees trade associations or clubs. Meetings, conferences, seminars and other social functions of employees trade association clubs are more ways of spotting suitable candidates. Then third one is professional associations. Professional associations are bodies of major professionals like doctors, engineers, auditors, chartered accountants, and managers also provide abundant opportunities to discover potential candidates for technical, scientific, and managerial cadre vacancies. So here recruiters from these professional bodies, from these professional clubs, they can hire, they can recruit for the required jobs. Then fourth external source of recruitment under indirect method is other reputed firms. Nowadays, it is seen or it has become a trend to recruit human resources from well-known firms. Few companies and firms have established good reputation on productivity, efficiency, and industrial harmony. So many firms have made efforts to discover appropriate candidates from such firms for filling job positions. So these are about indirect methods of external source of recruitment. So we have discussed about direct method of external source where we came to know about campus recruitment, scouting and from the factory gate. Then under indirect methods, advertisement, employees trade association or clubs, professional associations or other reputed firms. And the last external source of environment is third party methods. Under this third party methods, some common factors are there, some common methods are there, like number one, private employment agencies. They are used extensively and charge very little fee from an applicant. They concentrate on specific occupation such as general office or help, salesmen, technical workers, accountants, computer staffs, engineers, and executives. These private agencies work as middlemen between employees and employer. They used to know about the requirement of the firm and then they used to provide them with such type of applicants. So these are private employment agencies. Then number two, state or public employment agencies. These are also known as employment or labor exchange. They provide a clearinghouse for jobs and job information along with a wide range of services such as counseling, job searching, and information about the labor market, workers, and pay rates. I hope many of you have come across this labor exchange. Then, third one is schools, colleges, and professional institutions. All these provide opportunities for recruiting their students. These general and technical or professional institutions provide blue collar, white collar, and managerial personnel. So, to make their students available for the job or to provide them with job opportunities for their self survival, most of the reputed schools and colleges and professional institutions they provide opportunities for recruiting their students. Then fourth one, professional organizations or recruiting firms or executive recruiters. They keep entire information records about employed executives. These consulting firms agencies highly competent individuals for managerial, marketing and production engineers posts. Then trade unions. Trade unions offer manual and skilled workers in ample quantity. In few organizations, formal agreements are made to give priority to the candidates recommended by the trade unions during the recruitment process. So even recruitment can be done through trade unions. That is on the recommendation of trade unions. Then number six, third party method is casual labor or applicant at the gate. Many industries are dependent on the casual laborers who daily marks his presence on factory gate or employment office. Then number seven, unconsolidated applications. There are certain job posts for which a small number of candidates apply. In such a case, organizations can search the applicants application forms of these candidates who have approached the organization for the vacancies available by their own efforts. It means a direct approach, a direct visit to the organizations. Those who are in need of job without any advertisement, without any known facts, they used to visit door to door, office to office, and they used to submit their applications. So once chance will be there, if any vacancies will be there, they may be called for. Then voluntary organizations. These candidates, such as private clubs and social organizations, might also supply employees like who are physically handicapped, widow or married women, aged persons or retired people, etc. So these are private clubs and they used to supply employees like who are physically disabled, widow, married woman or aged person or retired people. And the last third party method, external source of recruitment is computer data bank. When a company needs, when a company needs a specific type, when a company needs a specific type of employee, job description and job specification are uploaded into a computer where they are matched with the resume data stored therein. So from our computer data bank also we can hire or we can recruit for the required post. So these are external sources of environment, uh, external sources of recruitment. Now even like internal source of recruitment, these external source of recruitment also have some merits and demerits. So merits of external sources are that we have wide choice of recruiting a person, then injection of fresh talent, people with unique skills and knowledge can be selected to energize the present employees and incorporate creative method of working. Then motivational force for outside external source, always a motivational force will be there. That is internal employees are encouraged to work hard and compete with external candidates in search of career growth. Then long term benefits. So these are the merits of external source of environment, and some demerits of external sources of recruitment are that this external source of recruitment is expensive, time consuming, demotivating, and uncertainty. So these four are the demerits of external sources of recruitment, because if you are going for external source, naturally it will be expensive, it will take time, and it will be demotivating to the persons those who are already working inside. And uncertainty means there is uncertainty that the organization will be able to hire the right candidates. So these all are about external source of recruitment, and I hope this is clear to all of you. Take care.